Raceway, Paula National. Listen here, we got Jake Runkles. You know,
what's up, guys?
It's Runkles Nation, baby. It's gonna be an awesome summer.
Team Runkles.
Team Runkles.
Team SGB Unlimited Storm Lake Honda, but
Storm Lake Honda Runkles. A little bit different transition for me, coming from rider to team manager type. I don't know. Me and Jason are kind of flip-flopping for a few rounds. So
killing it though so far.
Trying to. We got some nice overcast weather. We have Crocker over here, giving us a nice setup, cooking us a nice breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Bike's ready. Runkles is ready. It's time to go, baby. We're better. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to SGB Unlimited. We're here at Pala MX for the first round of the National Motocross Series. We're looking to have good results. Our one rider today is Jacob Runkles. He's on the flying number 88 Honda from Storm Lake Honda. And we're looking to have a good day and get into the program and have some top 20 finishes and start the season off right. Let's go!
Got done first practice. I think we ended up 27th. Track's actually really good. It's not too deep. It's not too dry. Beautiful day out. I think it's what, like gonna get 70 couple today. So now had a little issue in the first one, so we'll come back for the second one and see what we can do.
Down for the first moto, baby. Time for the 450s to run with the big boys. Jacob's going down there to hold shot.
so it was a tough day. This track is its own different animal. You know, this dirt, there's really nothing like it on the circuit. It's hard, it's got rocks, you know, it's got some loam, it's got, I don't know, it's just weird. It's square edge, holes, all of it. It was a challenging day. I think we missed the mark a little bit. He's been on the bike for 2 weeks, you know, something, you know, that happened late, and with everything considered, I think he rode amazing, you know. It was tough on him today, you know, but hey, you know, sometimes it's just racing, you know. That's why, you know, we got another one this weekend, or this next weekend, so we'll just have to forget about this weekend and move forward.
Yeah, we just struggled today, but it happens. Limited time on the bike, you know, we were kind of just trying to base it off East Coast tracks. Tried to, you know, get it to where we could, but it happens. I mean, you can't be perfect every time, so you just got to learn from it and move on. So
you're doing good, man.
Just gotta be positive. I had good starts.
Good start, really good start.
That doesn't happen. It took me till Buds to get good starts, and then they fell back down again. So we're 2 for 2 for starts. So we can't complain there.
That's good.
Gotta take that positive, right?
Always. I will see you next week.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah.
We've had a mediocre day, I gotta say. You know, I mean, Jacob was looking good. You know, he qualified directly out of the Tom practice, didn't have to go to the last chance. We all felt really good about that. His starts were excellent. You know, we got some suspension issues with the bike, you know, but we're going to get that fixed up this week. We're going to do some testing. We're going to get some new settings, and we're going to come back strong for Hangtown. We got to start well to finish well, so if we get the rest of the stuff figured out, he'll be a top 15 rider, I believe, you know, by the first few rounds. We're going to be up there. We can only progress from here.
Hey, how's that knee feel? How's the knee feel?
My knee is,
What the hell? I haven't seen that. What happened? What happened with you, dude?
Well, it's an old, you know, ACL injury, and after pounding through Supercross for 17 rounds and trudging around the Pala Raceway, my knee was bothering me pretty bad, so I went to the Alpine Star guys, and they fixed me up. Anthony gave me a nice tight knee wrap.
Yeah.
And,
Let's go.
couple shots of Fireball and some Advil, and she's as good as new, man. Yeah, we're ready to go. Yeah, get some.